All right, a really quick little video just exploring the capabilities of this little supposedly 12-inch chainsaw. By the way, it's only got just over 11 inches of reach, but maybe that's the normal way to measure them. But let's go ahead and add some oil, something that was not included. I'm just going to use some good synthetic motor oil, which is plenty adequate. So I got to fill up the reservoir before using. Please do that, it's necessary. To be honest, the location of the tiny little fill port is a little awkward. I figured out if you put the bottle in from this side and pour it, it's relatively clean, but you're still going to spill it, so don't do it someplace that won't take spilling. And I just filled it up until the little sight window here was pretty much full. So we have oil. I'm going to prime it. I don't recall this being in the instructions, but just in case, just to make sure the chainsaw does have oil. The chain really needs it before you start cutting, so I'm going to install the battery. Okay, my scientific test here is I have a limb that's about appropriate size for the type of thing a home DIY guy would be cutting with this, and I'm just going to start cutting it. I'm going to cut slices off and see how many I can get through in a minute of cutting. So I'm going to go ahead and start. Let me get the camera positioned. Okay, and go ahead and start. All right, and the carnage makes it apparent that we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half cuts in 60 seconds. So about 10 seconds to cut through a 4 or 5 inch limb. It's pretty reasonable. That sounds, it's not quite high-powered, gas-powered chainsaw spec, but that's going to do more than enough for most homeowners. So I'm pretty impressed.